What if I told you that you can make a complete, high-quality YouTube video? We're talking script, narration, all the visuals, starting with just a single link. For a long time, YouTube automation felt like something for big teams with big budgets. Well, that's all changed. Thanks to some new and honestly surprisingly powerful AI tools from Google that are completely free, pretty much anyone can become a content creator now. So let's just ask the big question right up front, right? Can you really make an entire YouTube video, from the script to the voiceover to all the custom images, without spending a single dime? And the answer is a huge yes. Seriously, these new tools aren't just a little improvement, they're a total game changer. This basically unlocks a whole new world of content creation, putting the power of a full production studio right into your hands for absolutely nothing.
Okay, so how does this actually work in practice? Well, it's all about a simple, repeatable workflow. And to make this super clear, we're going to follow the sources example here and turn a single Wikipedia link about the Mughal Empire into a cool, short, documentary-style video.
So how do we get from that one link to a finished video? It really boils down to the simple four-step process. First, we'll generate the script and the audio together. Second, we'll create all our visuals with AI. Third, we'll pull it all together, and finally, we'll add that all-important final polish.
Let's kick things off with what are usually the two biggest headaches for any creator: writing a good script and recording a decent voiceover. We're actually going to knock both of those out at the exact same time using one amazing tool. And here it is. Meet Notebook LM. You can think of this as the heart of our content engine. You just feed it a source like that Wikipedia link, and it does something incredible. It doesn't just summarize it, it creates a fully structured script and a podcast-style audio track with different voices. And the process itself? It literally could not be easier. You find a link you like, you paste it into a new project in Notebook LM, and boom! One click gives you a script. Then you see that little audio overview button, you click that, wait a few moments, and you have a downloadable audio file with multiple voices all ready to go.
And this is where you really see the value, you know? As the source points out, you get this amazing, high-quality voice feature built right in, without having to pay for expensive, specialized software like 11 Labs. It's all right there, and it's free.
All right, on to the visuals. We have our complete audio track, so now we need a whole bunch of cool images to actually bring our story to life on the screen.
For this, we're going to use another free tool from Google Labs called VizBug. The best way to think about this is like having your own personal AI art director. You just give it a description, a prompt, and it creates a totally unique image just for your video. But, you know, coming up with dozens of creative prompts for images, that's a lot of work. So here is a fantastic hack. Just don't do it. Instead, take that same Wikipedia link, pop it into ChatGPT, and ask it to write all the image prompts for you. You're basically using AI to write prompts for another AI. It's brilliant.
And hey, if you want to automate this even more, the source has this awesome pro tip. There's a browser extension called the VizPunk Automator. You can just paste in that whole list of prompts from ChatGPT, click one button, and it will generate all of your images in one big batch. I mean, what a time saver.
Okay, we've got all our pieces. We have a finished audio file, and we have a whole folder full of custom AI images. Now it's time to put it all together.
For the final assembly, we're going to use a really popular and yes, free video editor called CapCut. And the whole process is just drag and drop. You import everything, pull the images and the audio onto your timeline, and then you just stretch or shrink the images so they match up with the narration. It's that simple.
Now, at this point, what you have is basically a slideshow with a voiceover, which is fine, but we're not aiming for fine, right? This little comparison here really shows the difference a few last clicks can make, transforming that simple sequence into something that looks dynamic and professional.
So here's the best part. These final touches are super easy. Inside CapCut, you can add smooth transitions between your images, you can apply little effects to add some atmosphere, and this one is huge. You can use the auto caption feature to instantly generate subtitles for the entire video.
So let's just step back for a second and look at the powerful and again, completely free creator toolkit that we've just put together. This slide just lays it all out perfectly. You've got Notebook LM acting as your content engine, doing both the script and the audio. You use ChatGPT as a creative assistant to write your prompts. Vispunk is your AI artist creating all the visuals. And finally, CapCut is the studio where it all comes together. Each tool has its job and they all work together in one smooth process. So, we've seen that the old barriers, the cost, the technical skills, even a lot of the creative heavy lifting can all be handled by these amazing free tools. The workflow is clear, it's accessible to pretty much anyone. So the only real question left is, what story are you gonna tell?
If you have subscribed yet, please do so to receive informative videos regularly. Your one click means a lot to us.